Messenger, how to leave a group. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can leave a group on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to leave a group on Messenger, all you have to do is go and launch the Messenger application, and you're gonna see this type of interface where of course what you actually need to do is you need to select a certain group over here. Let's say that you are a part of the group and you would like to leave the chat because you're no longer interested. For that, you can tap the eye icon on the top right hand side of the group, scroll down to the very bottom, and you will find an option known as leave chat. So tap on the leave chat option. It will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you would like to leave the chat? So right over here, you can just go ahead and leave the group, and then you have successfully left that particular group. This way you can leave group on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.